Hey guys, I'm here to do a quick review video over integer operations. So we're going to break this into two categories again. We're talking about adding and subtracting, meaning that we are combining something, or multiplying and dividing. Okay, so on my combining situation, all the adding and subtracting stuff, here's what I really want you to think about. Same signs or different signs. If two items have the same sign, then we are going to add them and keep the sign. So watch what that looks like. All right, so if I have a -2 and a -7, they are both negative, so my answer is going to be negative. 2 and 7 together make 9. -9 plus a -13. Again, we're going to think about it like combining. I have a -9 and a -13. They're both negative, so I keep them negative. We're going to go 9 and 13 together, make 22. That's my answer. If I do -13 minus 4, my 13 is negative, my 4 is negative, so my answer is negative. I'm going to keep them added together, gives me 17. -25 minus 6, they're both negative, so my answer is negative. 25 and 6 combined together makes 31. It's kind of like if you have a bunch of debt and you combine them on your shopping list or on your receipt of a bill, all of those add up to make a bigger debt number. So negatives combine. Where we have to be careful is if they have different signs. I'm going to show you on this one. If we're combining with different signs, we are going to subtract big minus small, and we take the big number sign. All right, so if we look at that one, who's bigger, the -2 or the +7? 7's bigger, right? So we're going to take our number and our answer is going to be positive. They have different signs, so we're going to subtract the big number 7 minus the small number 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. All right, 8 and 21. Which is a bigger number, 8 or 21? 21 is, right? All right, so because the 21 is negative, we're going to take his sign, and we are going to subtract them. An 8 minus 21, we can do the same thing. 21 minus 8 is going to give us 13. Okay, let's go again. 11 and 17. We have two numbers here. They have different signs. One's negative, one's positive. Who has the biggest value, 17 or 11? 17 does, so we're going to use his sign. 17 was positive, we use his sign. 17 and 11 have different signs, so we're going to subtract them. 17 minus 11 is going to be 6. One more. 21 minus 30. I have two numbers, different signs. 30 is bigger than 21, so because he's negative, my answer is negative. 30 minus 21 gives me 9, so my answer is a -9. Okay, also remember that you can always rewrite these. So like on this problem, if I wanted to rewrite this as a +17 minus an 11, or on this problem, if I wanted to rewrite it as a +7 minus 2, sometimes rearranging the order saves you the time on that process. We knew it was going to be positive. You wouldn't have even second guessed on those two questions. All right, ready to get into multiplying and dividing. Multiplying or dividing, here's the rule. If the signs are the same, the answer is positive. If the signs are different, the answer is negative. Okay? All right, so if we're looking at that first one, 3 and 5 are both negative, so my answer is positive. 3 and 5 makes 15. 4 times 6 are both positive, so my answer is positive. 4 times 6 is 24. 48 and 8 are both negative, so my answer is positive. They're the same. 48 divided by 8 gives me 6. 42 divided by 7, they're both positive, so my answer is positive. 42 divided by 7 is also 6. All of those answers are positive because all of the signs are the same. So let's go to the other one, other side. What happens if the signs are different? It doesn't matter who's who in multiplication. It doesn't matter who has the negative. All that matters is if the signs are different, the answer is negative. So -3 times +7, different signs makes it negative. 3 and 7 makes 21. +4 times -11, different signs makes the answer negative. 4 times 11 is 44. -40 divided by +8, different signs makes it negative. 40 divided by 8 is 5. 63 divided by a -7, Different signs makes it negative. 63 divided by 7 is 9. And that is the end of your notes. If you have questions, please let me know.